Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Horton Bonsai, Ryan here. In today's video I'm going to be pruning my cork bark elm just to cut it back because all the spring growth's gone wild. So if we stay tuned, we'll get pruning this little tree. So with the elm, I want to take off anything that's growing straight up and anything that's too close to the trunk, like in here. And I'm looking for stuff that's going straight down. Just basically the same as any other tree. So what you tend to do with Chinese elms, you cut back to 2 to 3 leaves. So I'll just continue cutting back to 2 to 3 leaves. That's one pod done. I'll just continue working around the tree. Surprised how well this is growing this year, like. And what I'll do is, with the long bits, I'll just set some cuttings away off them. See, a bit like that. Just pluck the leaves off. About 2 to 3 on the top. Rooting powder, and just stick it in the ground, like in the pot. You can see there we've got some growing out where the branches is. I'll just take them off. Too close to the trunk on that one. I'll just keep pruning back to 2 to 3. That's basically them 3 done there. So we'll start coming up the tree and creating the apex, which I'm too high for. I'll tilt it over. Queen's Jubilee the day. I was going to go down London, but I thought she didn't come to my birthday party, so why should I? Atlanta. So like I say, anything that's right in there, the trunk, I'm taking off. Because we want to see the movement and the branch structure a bit. Excuse me. Do a good haircut. In fact, we took a canny bit off it. I'll give you a look what's come off it, because it's deceiving. I need to put the scissors down because you can do too much. Put them down a second. Oh, that'll do. Full up there. It's a nice little tree. That needs wiring into there to spread the pad out a bit, and this one forward. I'm just going to let it grow for now since it's had its haircut. Well folks, it's absolutely bouncing down outside. I was going to get another tree to do, but I'm not getting out in that. As I don't like to water the bonsais today. So I've been outside to get another tree to prune and I'm absolutely dropped. It's made me grey hair stand out. So I've got the Cotoneaster over the rock to do. I'll not be touching. I'll bring you in, give you a look. I'm only going to be tidying the pads up a little bit, not too much. Get shot of some of this long growth on the top. I'll not be touching this back branch because I want to get a nice big branch into here. But for the big pads, I'm just going to be pruning back. So I'm just cutting back a pair of leaves, getting the tips off. I'm not going to bother with cuttings with this. Got too many on the go. So that's them two done. I'm going to leave these extensions on this back branch here because I want to bring it a bit further down so it comes over the rock a bit and get a nice pad into there. But as for the top of it, I'll just prune that off a bit because I want a fuller pad into there over the rock a bit. Like I see this back one, which is just a bit thin, I need to let that grow so I can get a nice big pad into here. All I've got left's the crown. Flattening the bottom of the pad out so it looks a bit better instead of having loads of straggly bits sticking down. Got a new silk coming out there. I'm just going to take that off because I don't want one there. Like I say, we can create one out of this once it thickens. So that's pretty much for this tray. Just can't wait until we get some nice big growth. Have a big pad down into here, and like I say, this back pad, which will fill in this negative space from there to there, another pad into there, and I think it'll be an amazing tray. So that's it for tray number 2. I'll put it on the bench and I'll bring it in and give you a look. And I think I'm going to get dry because I'm sweating. That's the both trays pruned. I haven't took as much of that as the Chinese elm. So everyone, that's it for this video. Just a quick pruning of the cork bark elm and the Cotoneaster. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I'll catch you in the next video. Ta-da, folks!